guys, welcome back. Which I've heard from not a lot of people, but some people about Sushant something. So I just want to discuss with you. Like if you have heard from anyone, so just gonna be clearing your doubt. So yeah, so without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So guys, why I came to on this topic suddenly because yesterday when I was going with my father to buy some grocery things on a shop, there was a person, I can't tell the person's name, so there was a person who started with the topic, like we just frankly talking, then the person started with the topic that was he only started that Salman Khan was not involved in Sushant Singh Rajput's case. Okay, that's okay. So then he went on, and then it came to a point where he was telling all all rubbish things about Sushant Singh Rajput, like Sushant Singh Rajput has a lot of money, he had not saved his money, like that. So then he came to a conclusion that my father told the person that what is your point of view, like what do you think Sushant Singh Rajput was. So then the person came to this conclusion that I think that Sushant Singh Rajput had a mental problem or is mental. Now, those who think this, that Sushant Singh Rajput is mental or had a mental problem, then I just want to tell, for example, if you or I am, suppose I am mental, okay, I had a mental problem, I am mental problem, then how could I come 7th in India? I would have come last, or I would failed. I would never have got from the top 10 list. Secondly, if I had mental problem, then how would I know a lot about stars? Like stars are very complicated to know their names, from where, with the positions which we can see, which are close to the sun, or the planets. It's very complicated, guys. So if a person had a mental problem, then he could not remember, he could not memorize anything. Then if Sushant Singh Rajput had a mental problem, then how could he remember all these things? How could he come 7th in India? Then I just wanted to clear you all guys a doubt that if you have heard a person from any of the person that saying that Sushant Singh Rajput has a mental problem, you just tell him or her that if he had a mental problem, then how could he achieve all these things? How could he came 7th in India? How could he be he would go to engineer? How could he do this if he had a mental problem? So just guys, clear this doubt that he had no mental problem. Those who are telling this because they have heard from someone and just gonna be sharing this news because they have no proof like if he had mental problem or not. So guys, this was the first topic of Sushant Singh Rajput. Was yesterday I've heard from a person. Then secondly, this is I have not heard, but I have seen a lot of people discussing this, that Sushant Singh Rajput had a lot of money. He have not saved the money, and he has like used it on making farmhouse, buying telescopes, or buying very expensive things. So guys, I just wanted to say, it's a person's dream, like you and me. Like I have a lot of money, like I have a lot, then I would like try to buy all my dreams, like my dream to buy a TV or a big TV or it's like something else. So I would buy that. Positively I would buy that. So a person who had a lot of money, he would positively buy all his dreams. He would always fulfill his dream. So he only from that money he have saved, in fact, because he have buy telescopes, because he had a lot of interest in stars, seeing the galaxies which he could see a lot of time. He had made a farmhouse to rest, to play. So that's it. Also of his business. And why you guys are getting into it? Like he had not saved his money, he had buy expensive things. So it's his dream to buy all the what is needed. Now he has the money, so he can buy all the dreams which he wanted to. He wanted a dream car, he had buy that from the money. Always wanted to fulfill his wish. So next I just want to discuss is that that yesterday only the same person also told that ki Ankita Lokhande was the person who did black magic on Sushant and just took all the money away and just left him. So I just wanted to clear this thing that it's not Ankita Lokhande, it's Riya Chakrabarti who had did this. I don't believe black magic, but came to know that it's Riya Chakrabarti, not Ankita Lokhande, because Ankita Lokhande was the only person who supported Sushant in hard times. So she was the one person who supported Sushant even in hard times. Ankita Lokhande came to the speech without wanting time, where Riya wanted time to come to CBI, to ED. So this shows that how much they are free to talk or they want to hide anything. And secondly, Ankita Lokhande never missed a chance to tell in the media that she doesn't knew any acting. Sushant Singh Rajput was the one who taught her the acting, whereas Riya Chakrabarti have not even mentioned him anywhere. So these are the points to be noted. I'm just gonna be clearing your doubts. So yeah, just because if you all have this type of people coming to you and telling that this and that, so you can just keep a track of all the things that you know and just without fearing tell those who are saying all this wrong things, who are spreading all these wrong things, because they are hiding something. I don't know, but I don't know why people are saving the culprits. What they're getting from saving, I don't know. But yesterday when I heard these things, I was very shocked, because they could see now everyone is saying Republic India, everyone is saying Republic. Yeah, so I just want to say there a lot of things are giving to people. That's a point to be noted, and they are giving the things. Why you all can't just take it? These persons who are saying that he was mental or he have not saved money, you all, why can't you take it? Republic Bharat is telling a lot of things that points to be noted, and why can't you use it, memorize the things? Why can't you are making your own stories and just giving it to people and just spreading it to people, and which people you are telling the same person is spreading to other people and getting a crowd people who are doing or who are spreading this wrong news with everyone. So the person they are spreading, the person also gets a thing, yeah, oh yes, if the person is saying, then must be it. So guys, just stop this, because if you are spreading wrong news, it's the views of the person is getting wrong. So guys, just stop. If you think this that Sushant Singh Rajput is mental, then just tell me you only that how could a person become 7th in India? Just tell me this thing. If I was mental, I would have not gone to studies only. I would just have just been in a room and sat like in the whole time. If I was mental, I had a mental problem, then how could I come 7th in India? So these are the questions that's to be to be asked to the people who are telling that Sushant Singh Rajput is mental. So these are the points to be noted. So yeah, this is all that I wanted to say, you guys. So I hope you have understand it. So guys, if I just want you all to just make a video like this, clearing all the doubts, those who are telling wrong things about Sushant Singh Rajput, to make a video like this and just use a hashtag that's Warriors for SSR and Justice for Sushant. These are the 2 hashtags you all can use on the description of the video, so that it can go to a higher authorities. And also, if you all don't like this video, if you don't subscribe to my channel, I don't want, but just you all can share this video so that a lot of people who are having a problem like Sushant Singh Rajput has a mental problem or whatever he thinks about Sushant Singh Rajput is wrong, and we know. So just share this video so that their doubt gets clear that it was not. So yeah, just share this video. And also, if you are making a video like this, then use the hashtag Warriors for SSR, so that it can go to the people and go to higher authorities. So, and also Justice for Sushant. So gonna be back with another video on Wednesday. So till then, take care and good bye.